Have you ever wondered what keeps your online transactions safe from prying eyes? SSL certificates are the unsung heroes of internet security, ensuring your data remains private. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol that encrypts the link between a web server and a browser. When you see a padlock icon next to the URL, it means the website is protected by SSL. But did you know SSL has evolved over the years due to security challenges? The modern version, TLS, still carries the SSL name, ensuring robust security. So how does SSL work its magic to keep your data safe? It starts with a browser or server attempting to connect to a secured website. The web server responds by sending its SSL certificate to the browser. The browser checks the certificate's validity and signals trust if all is well. This initiates an SSL handshake, creating an encrypted session in milliseconds. Encrypted data, including sensitive information, is then safely shared. Without SSL, websites only show HTTP, lacking the crucial S for secure. SSL certificates are essential for securing login credentials, credit card transactions, and more. There are various types of SSL certificates, each serving different needs. Extended Validation (EV) SSL certificates offer the highest level of security and trust. Organization Validated (OV) SSL certificates also provide substantial validation. Domain Validated (DV) SSL certificates are quick to obtain but offer minimal encryption. Wildcard SSL certificates secure a base domain and unlimited subdomains. Multi-domain SSL certificates can secure multiple domains and subdomains. Unified Communications Certificates (UCC) are designed for Microsoft servers but can be used by any website. Obtaining an SSL certificate involves preparing your server and validating your domain. Once issued, the certificate must be installed and configured on your web host. SSL certificates do expire, typically lasting up to 27 months. Expired certificates make websites unreachable, impacting user trust. Managing SSL certificates is crucial, especially for large businesses with multiple domains. To check if a site has an SSL certificate, look for HTTPS and a padlock icon in the address bar. For e-commerce, ensure the site has EV or OV certificates for maximum security. Stay alert to phishing scams, even on HTTPS sites, by checking domain names carefully. Cybersecurity risks are ever evolving, but understanding SSL helps protect your data. Remember, SSL certificates are your first line of defense against cyber threats. Stay safe online and trust the padlock to guard your digital world.